So when we wake up in the morning, we have a routine, and today I'm gonna be showing you what we do every single day. So we wake up and we have some breakfast. So that's my jar right there. Sorry man, you had your breakfast ready? So we always come here to wait for our breakfast. Two of our breakfast. We always get two American breakfast, and it will be coming from there. Thank you so much. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. I didn't want to sit there because it's kinda close to the sun. So this is the American breakfast. Oh, they didn't bring you. You feel bad? Tell people what you're missing.
Butter and jam.
Yeah, they always bring butter and jam, but from yesterday.
Butter is out of stock.
Yeah.
Maybe today jam is out of stock too.
Or now it has changed to be normal. I think you feel kind of sad. Sorry, my beautiful girl. Okay, so breakfast right here. That's how we always get breakfast. We have also tea, so we create our own tea. They create coffee, but we don't drink coffee me. So yeah, good morning guys. It's another day here. Today is on I think 20th of April. This is El Nido. We're going down there to do some shopping, groceries and some kind of stuff. There's really an aggressive dog ahead of us here. This town is really popular. Hey babe, you wanna say hello?
No.
What?
I say hello, are you?
You know, people can't see your smile. Look, our dog. Be careful. Whoa. What's up? You doing good? Okay, look what it is. This dog is a bad one, you see? Right there. So we've been living here. It's like actually our home. Just be careful, man. You know the road is... They're doing some constructions right there. Actually, this is the right time for any government to do constructions, especially road constructions, because there are no much interruptions. Kinda life is getting to normal here. This coronavirus stuff, man, is crazy. We have our pass. Yeah, that is our pass. Without that, we can't go in. I'm told in future they'll put the chips. Bill Gates will kill us, man. So our dog used to stay here and it just disappeared, man. That's so weird. Just disappeared, we can't see it. It used to stay around here every day. I just hope somebody adopted it or got strong. Did they open this place? They haven't opened it. Wow. I think this place is open. It's only that it's supposed to be open around 8, right? Oh, 8. Yeah. So actually here life is like normal, but face masks are like you have to put them. So we are supposed to go to this market, but it's controlled. We just have to go through a very specific place. We can't just, you see it's closed. And they only have one exit right here. Okay. So the government is constructing here. What's up? Good man. So the government is still constructing here. Technically, life is getting to normal here, man. Yeah. And I also think people are getting tired of this virus thing. Many crazy dogs here. You have to be very careful. So here we have
quarantine pass, border pass, or tourist pass. Thank you.
Thank you, man. So you see, we have to step down there because it's a disinfector. And also they give you on your hand because they don't want any problem. We passed here before, so they know us, that's why. Yeah. I want a lot of stuff actually.
So we buy some.
So pass here now. Pass here. We are trying to avoid. Or you want to cook some fish? Huh? Hey, babe. Actually, we can buy tomatoes here. They look really nice.
Carrot.
Yeah, and carrots too. And also onions. So we're gonna buy some onions here. Hey, madam. Thank you. Just gonna do that for me. Let me see. She has really good onions. Yeah, that's okay. Right? Then we buy tomatoes. Yeah. We are trying to avoid plastic, but if you want any, it's okay.
Wala din. Gusto talaga yung barya ko.
You can help me choose, babe. I don't know if this is okay.
Dami sir.
You know, my girlfriend likes this type. I don't know why. Maybe I like something so different.
Just choose the one you like.
Okay. Yeah, I really like these ones.
Wala akong tagtutuin ng palangga.
What do you think? Okay. Hey, do you want to buy? Okay.
Este.
89. Just give her 100, yeah. Thank you. You don't want cabbage or anything?
No.
Okay. You have enough cooking oil?
Winner?
You can buy. Let's fast. You didn't want us to go here. Hey, we shall come back. Okay. We always buy stuff right there. Yo. So let's buy the essentials. Let's buy potato.